This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Norvi Ramos. Beach Borough Living in desirable quadrant of Lower Hilltop / Hilton-side Townhome. Minutes from the ocean and a short commute to parks, dining, beachfront and shops / schools. You will love the bright floor plan in this 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath rental. Tall ceilings and bright living as you live daily and entertain. The kitchen is open into the dining and living area. Love the outdoors? Just outside the dining area is a patio and small fenced-in green space, ready to enjoy. The 2 bedrooms upstairs are large and well lit. All appliances are included. Enjoy every day. Plenty of parking out front and a spacious garage. Pet-friendly with owner approval. Renter's insurance required. Please schedule your appointment to tour 24 to 48 hours in advance. No showings between 2 to 4 p.m. daily. Pet on site. Ready to apply? Available 9/1. No sight unseen applications please. For more information, review the details below.